Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 22nd Feb 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where in this specific video on daily basis I review my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty, disclose my learning and build up my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So today we had one of the biggest correction in last maybe 2 months. Our trade plan was to sell Nifty at pivot, and that is exactly what Nifty did. Nifty had almost flat opening, and when it touched pivot, it took a supported pivot and started correcting. So I entered, I shorted Nifty on this red bar, and then somewhere when it touched S1, after a long time I was in profit, so I booked my profit here, and I came out of the market. Then again I tried to enter Nifty on this particular red bar when it crossed 14754, carried this 3 bar, and before the market ended on this red bar I came out. I also took one entry on Bank Nifty when it closed my magical line, and on this red bar I entered. I shorted the Bank Nifty PE side, and I again played with my stop loss, and on this green bar I exited. Overall, a good warm up day for me, and I made some profit. So if you want to know about my MTM position, then please be with me till end of the video. Now let's see what we have in Nifty for tomorrow. So when you look on daily chart, today significant movement has happened on Nifty, and Nifty has crossed our magical line of 14754. So currently Nifty has closed below 8 day, below 20 day, and below magical line of 14754, and also below weekly support of 14688, which will now also act as a resistance for Nifty. So now Nifty on daily basis is also in downward trend. Today, Supreme Court has halted Reliance and Future deal, which will have an impact on Reliance and thus on our market. So be ready tomorrow to see how Reliance is reacting. Now on 15-minute chart, when we see Nifty has closed below 50, below 20, below 8. So here also the trend is confirmed and the market is in downward trend. Now when we look into our global market, what we see here is that global market has also opened up in negative. So when we look into SPX, on daily basis, we see a red candle. So this is not a good sign. Also, when we look into Singapore Nifty, which is at 14,700, almost flattish, and our dollar index is going down. So that is a good sign for a market. Now, with that in background, uh, we say that Nifty is in downtrend, and for a downtrend, my trade plan is sell on rise. So for tomorrow, Nifty has a pivot at 14,774, which is closer to 20-day moving average. Also, our magical line of 14,754. H3 is 14,779 and H4 is at 14,882. So tomorrow, any up move in this direction closer to pivot or this magical line is a good selling opportunity for a target of 14,470, which is an H4. So tomorrow I will play with a Nifty 14,500 P and see how it goes. Tomorrow also I will be on field for a whole day, so I'm not sure if I'll trade, but let me see if I can do some trade while I am on uh, travel. Similarly, on Bank Nifty, when we look, Bank Nifty on daily basis has closed below 8, above 20, above 50 moving average. So on daily basis, Bank Nifty is still in uptrend. On 15-minute chart, when we look, we see that Bank Nifty has closed below 200, below 50, below 20, and below 8. So here Bank Nifty is in downtrend. So for a downtrend on Bank Nifty, my strategy will be sell on rise. Tomorrow, Bank Nifty has a pivot at 34,543, which is closer to 20 bar moving average. H3 is 35,454, which is this blue line, and H4 is 34,741, which is just above this magical weekly line. If you want to know, I use a very fairly simple trade setup. If you want to know what are these magical lines and these lines, what you see here, then check out my video on trade setup in on my YouTube channel. So that's my plan for tomorrow. Sell on rise for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today, Nifty has closed below 14,754. And now if you see my chart, there is no support for Nifty till 14,271. So this could be a start of a very bad correction in the market. So be very careful if you are long, and please look for your price action. Now let's look into my MTM position. So for today, my MTM position is 10,000 rupees, 10,242. These are the orders which I have taken on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So my first buy at 948, then exit, uh, then again another buy on Bank Nifty, exit, and then final leg of the business. So what's my learning today? My learning today is it's very simple. Every day I say the same thing, that I need to get discipline. And what I mean by discipline is that I need to get up early in the morning. If I Mornings are generally very chaotic for me, and that is where things are not happening. So I need to get up early in the morning and ensure that I sit on the trading table by 9 in the morning with everything done. So unless until I get that self discipline in my life, I'm not going to make big in market. So जो किसी ने नहीं सिखाया वो मुझे मार्केट सिखाएगा. So that's the learning. I hope this discussion has added value to your trading setup and trade idea. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.